Oh, yes, you will. The grand jury summoned in the Justine Damon case will reportedly start hearing from witnesses today. Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman trying to decide whether or not to charge Minneapolis police officer Mohammed Noor with a crime in her death. According to the Star Tribune, Noor's partner Matthew Harity is among those called to testify. Noor shot and killed Damon last July outside her home in southwest Minneapolis. She had called 911 to report a possible sexual assault. Noor has declined to speak with investigators. That's his legal right, of course. Stay with WCCO as we continue to follow the grand jury proceedings. Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged by more than 500 points when it opened just a half hour ago, but it has rebounded minutes after. It's now up around 230 points. The Dow dropped nearly 1,200 yesterday, the largest one-day point drop in history. Asian markets continued the downward slide this morning. Australia also felt the sting of what many analysts are calling a looming correction. The slump began on Friday. Investors started worrying about the potential impact that higher inflation and interest rates would have on the market. Justin Halverson said he saw a drop coming last Friday. He's with Great Waters Financial in Minnetonka. Says part of the plunge is driven by the threat that interest rates could rise.
I think computer-driven trading is a part of it as well. There was a big dip last Friday, and there's certain points that if the market falls to a certain level, the computer program just automatically says to sell.
These numbers do follow a positive jobs report and news that wages across the United States are up.
Former Minnesota Congresswoman Michelle Bachmann will not run for Senate this fall. The Republican represented Minnesota's 6th district from 2007 till 2015. She told Christian radio host Jan Markell that she had not received the message from God to move forward. Bachmann previously said she hadn't ruled out running for the seat previously held by Al Franken. So far, the only Republican to publicly launch a campaign for the November special election is State Senator Karin Housley. Meanwhile, Democrats and Republicans hold caucuses tonight. They'll take a straw poll for governor between 6 Democratic candidates and 5 Republicans. The decision about who will run will be made at state party conventions in June.
Glad to have Esme back with us again to give us some insight here. Esme, the field for governor is crowded.
It is crowded, although some prominent people have dropped out. But I think that you're going to see perhaps the possibility of a big name coming in. This is not official, but a lot of Republicans think there's a very good chance that former Governor Tim Pawlenty could get into this race.
Well, and he said so far not running. And Michelle Bachmann, do you think there's anyone else who could kind of step up to this list, or are Republicans kind of out when it goes to a high-profile candidate?
They are out. Tim Pawlenty is the only name that could come in, yes.
Michelle Bachmann not going to run for Senate. Will the Republicans put anyone forward other than Karin Housley, who could be formidable? I mean, she has a very, very inspiring personal story, too.
Right, absolutely. Karin Housley, the wife of hockey great Phil Housley. I think she's it. There's not enough time. There's 10 months until the November election. Of course, Amy Klobuchar is up. We're not talking about that race. She's running against somebody who is not well known at all, a state representative, Jim Newberger. So I think that's probably could be it.
Let's go back to the stock market. President Trump, he's often taking credit for the stock market rise, but we've only seen a White House statement saying the president's focus is on long-term economics. And this was something people were wondering when we saw the rises. Will he then take credit or responsibility if it falls?
Well, he hasn't, but this is a problem. It's kind of like a meteorologist taking credit for the great weather, and then when it's lousy, it's on you, too.
By the way, I do that all the
time. That's how that works.
That's how that works. And it's fantastic. But no, but I'm not responsible for anyone's 401ks.
This is a problem for the president. That being said, overall, if you look at where the stock market is, where it was compared to a year ago, it's gone up tremendously. But the president is treading on dangerous waters here when he claims credit for the rise. He's going to take the blame.
Does it really matter? Because people are always going to blame the president when things go in the dumper. I mean, this happened with President Obama. Who cares that he's taking credit?
But President Obama didn't say, hey, the gains in the stock market are directly related to me.
No, he sure didn't.
I mean, he took credit in a more subtle way. The president...
He still got blamed, though, didn't he?
Yes, but the president has been very specific that this is directly related to his presidency.
His policies.
His policies. And that is something that is going to haunt him when the markets go down.
Yeah. They're up today, so wait. Just wait for that tweet. When do you send that tweet, Esme, strategically? Is now the time, and then we see it doesn't age well by the close at the end of the day?
Who knows? You'll have to ask the president.
Okay, all right.
Yes.